to my nigga Mike Cooley. Hell yeah. Hellrazor. Born thuggin', heartless and mean, muggin' at 16 on the scene, watching fiends buggin', kicking up dust with the older G's, soaking up the game that was told to me. I ain't never touched a gap that I couldn't shoot. I learned not to trust a bitch from the prostitutes. Taught lessons, a young nigga asking questions while other suckers was guessing I was gangsta sexing. Elementary wasn't meant for me, can't regret it. I'm headed for the penitentiary and cutting glass in, I'm fucking blasting, straight mashing, mobbing through the overpass laughing, while these other motherfuckers try to figure out. No doubt, they jealous of a nigga's clout. Tell me though, can you feel me? I keep my finger on the trigger cause some nigga tryna kill me. And mama raised the Hellrazor. Every day getting paid, police, I'm a pager. Straight stressing, a fugitive, my occupation is under question, wanted for investigation. And even though I'm off for death, I'ma smoke till I lose my breath, motherfuckers. Every time I see the paper, I see my picture. When the niggas getting richer, they come to get ya. It's like a motherfucking trap. And they wonder why it's hard being black. Dear Lord, can you feel me? Stress getting major.
Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor.
Dear Lord, can you feel me?
Stress getting major. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major.
Tell me, Lord, can you feel me? Show a sign. Damn, they're running out of time, everybody's done. Mama raised the Hellrazor, can't figure why you let the police beat down niggas. I'm starting to think all the rich in the world are safe, while the poor babies rusting in the early graves. God, come save the youth. Ain't nothing else to do but have faith in you. I live a life of a thug, hope you understand. Forgive me for my mistakes, I gotta play my hand. And my hands on the 16 shot, semi-automatic, crooked cop killing Glock. Tell me though, can you feel me? Show a way. I'm praying but my enemies won't go away. And everywhere I turn, I see niggas burn. Every nigga that I know's on death row. My younger homie 17 and he paid the price. Live triple life, though I tell him in his letters it's getting better. If my nigga knew the truth, he'd hit the roof. Just heard the baby's mama smoked out. Fuck the drama, wanna break my loc out. Smoking blunts, getting drunk off that Tangeray gin. About to break my nigga out the fucking pen. Mama raised the Hellrazor. Yeah, come on, Mama raised the Hellrazor. Dear Lord, can you feel me?
Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior. Mama raised a Hellrazor. Stress getting major.
Dear Lord, can you hear me? It's just me, a young nigga trying to make it on these rough streets. I'm on my knees begging